What's up YouTube, Jeff back again from Sammy Guru, and today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're talking about a couple updates to Galaxy Enhance X, the two downloadable modules, SkyGuide and Camera Shift. Both received some updates for stability and improvements. If you don't know about those modules, stay tuned. I'll talk a little bit about what they do as well. They're pretty useful, especially Camera Shift. I found it useful in a lot of photos I take of my kids. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out the website, sammyguru.com. Cover the Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews that you guys need to know in real time. So when you can't see a video of mine because maybe something's breaking and it's 2 a.m. in the morning my time, I'm not going to make a video. My team over there, we've got a full writing staff. They cover everything you need to know as it is breaking. You can also get in our mystery box program. Tap on that orange banner at the top of the site. Get a free case, screen protector, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies as well. All you have to do is find the phone that you're interested in, like the Z Fold 7. Tap on that. Put in your phone number, your email, or both. You'll get a link to order your device directly from Samsung's website on launch day. It is our affiliate link. That's how we pay for this program. We cover all the shipping cost, all the items in the boxes. You can read all the details on the website, but basically it lets us get back to our readers and viewers, and then also at the same time generate revenue for the website. It's a really great program. We've been doing it for years. Check it out below in the pinned comment and description. So, Galaxy Enhance X, if you don't know what it is, it's an AI editing app that Samsung released. Some people say it's redundant, but they've started adding new downloadable features, which you can see here at the very top. The two downloadable features that exist right now are called Camera Shift and SkyGuide, and they both got updates. They're going to expand this over time. There'll be additional downloadable features. They really haven't said what yet, but we expect there will be a couple more coming probably before the end of 2025. So SkyGuide, which is one that I use a little bit less, just because I don't take that many images of the night sky. I know maybe some people do. It's fun, it's artistic, but not as practical. You're going to take a lot more photos of people, of your kids, your loved ones, etc. But this one got an update July 2nd, 2025, which is the day I'm recording this, 15.0.24, 29.50 megs. Now, what this basically does with SkyGuide, we go back into here, this discovers stars and constellations in your night sky. Essentially, if you take a photo of the night sky, it will help you find the constellations and stars that are in there, and will also help you like kind of trace them or, you know, connect the dots, constellations, and take more interesting pictures. You can see here you've got options for constellations, stars, galaxies, nebulas, and clusters. Now you can see the before and after here. You see just a photo of the night sky. This will connect it so you can actually see what the relevant constellations are that are in the photo you took. Again, I've played around with this and I did a video on it showing how it works and the results, and it's pretty good, but it's not something I'm going to use every single day because I'm not necessarily out there taking photos of the night sky every single day, but it is a lot of fun. I recommend it. This update brings some stability and improves the recognition of those constellations in your night sky photos. Now, the other one is one that I do use quite a bit more, and that is Camera Shift. Now, if we go in here, Camera Shift was also updated July 2nd, 2025, 15.0.30 is the version with an 81.50 meg size, so quite a bit bigger than the one to the SkyGuide. Camera Shift allows you to adjust the angle of your particular photo so you can get the same photo but from different viewing angles than what you originally took the photo from. So I'll show you guys how this one works. This one works quite nicely. So if we, first of all, by the way, some people are confused by this. All this does is lets you download or update or delete them. In order to utilize these things, you actually have to have a photo that you can apply the various things to. So if it applies, first of all, the basic features are the magic, the face, the fixed blur, and these other various things like healing, these other, rotate, crop, some things you can do in the basic gallery. If one of the downloadable modules apply, you'll see it right here. So see Camera Shift applies. This is a photo of my son. Obviously the night sky module doesn't apply because it's not a photo of a night sky. So if you tap on the Camera Shift, it'll let you see the camera height, and you can actually change that down here, and it will show you the before and after. So you can actually see, and it does make a difference. You can actually see here, the camera height gets shifted up. So you can see it looks like I'm taking a picture from further up above him, and you can adjust it to be quite extreme. You can see here, this is an extreme one, and then you can go lower. So you see here, the before and the after. So it's pretty nice. They do a pretty nice job with this. I tend to do the adjustments up a lot because depending on the angle that you took it, particularly with kids, this can be very useful. You can provide feedback and kind of give them feedback. If you want to save the photo, if you hit done, you can save this as a copy. So you can go share image, downloadable features, share app, about app. Here you can save this and it will save this as a copy in the gallery for you. So it won't override your original photo. You'll still have your original photo that you used to do the edit. Anyway, 2 updates to Galaxy Enhance X. This is one of those apps that, like, if you're a Samsung user, you may not know about it until you see someone else talk about it. I don't think it's a useless app, particularly actually for camera shift. I might use that more than anything else, but no other app that Samsung has camera shift. So if that's something that appeals to you, you might want to give it a shot. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Check out sammyguru.com and the Mystery Box program, particularly if you're ordering a Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 device, because of course those release next week and I will be in New York for Unpacked, bringing you guys all the latest updates, sending out those links for you guys to get your Mystery Box orders in. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.